Hello friends, today we are going to solve the next part of the question paper, which is exam conducted by the KEA for junior assistant posts, and the exam date was on 7th August 2022 and the question code version code is C2. So don't forget that question version code is C2. So we are going to solve the questions from general awareness and aptitude. From this part we are going to solve the questions. So for 40th question, common countries in both Quad and I2U2 coalition are. So answer is, for this question, answer is B, that is India and United States of America. So in Quad countries there are 4 countries. So here Australia, Japan, India and USA, the 4 countries. In I2U2, that is India, in Israel, UAE and USA. So these are the 4 countries in I2U2, and Quad countries Australia, Japan, India and USA. So option B is correct. In the 41st question, population density of India is, so it is option B is correct, that is 473.4 persons per square kilometer. For 42nd question, Shinzo Abe was the Prime Minister of Japan for 2 terms. So see here, so 2 terms from 26/9 2006 to 26/9 2007, and this was the first term. In second term, 26th 12 2012 to 16/9/2020. So he was the longest serving PM in Japanese history, Shinzo Abe. For the 43rd question, so after reading this question you will understand. So option B, that is I only, correct. Okay. For 44th question, match the following. So era, period, epoch on given one side and life major events given on left another side. Okay, so here first Cretaceous. So Cretaceous, it is the age of dinosaurs. So P is equal to 4. Cambrian, Cambrian, it is a first fish. Okay, so for Q it is 1. So P4Q1, P4Q1, only one option. So option A is correct. Next question, 45th question. So the twinkling of star is due to, it is a refraction of starlight in the atmosphere. So option B is correct. So as the chemicals, 46th question, as the chemicals used as a pesticides are not degradable, these get accumulated progressively at each tropical level. As human beings occupy the top level in any food chain, the maximum concentration of these chemicals get accumulated in our bodies. This phenomenon is known as biomagnification. Option D is correct. 47th question, the chemical energy in cells is generated by, so option D, mitochondria. For 40th question, which of the following is not credit rating agency operating in India? There are total 7 credit agencies. Out of here 4 options are there. So out of 4 options, 3 are credit rating agencies, one is not the list. Okay, so here option D is not credit rating agency. So remaining 3 are the credit rating agency operating in India. So FEMA was introduced in the year 1992 to replace an earlier act called, so option is FERA. So FERA is Foreign Exchange Regulation Act, which was replaced by FEMA, that is Foreign Exchange Management Act, introduced in 1999. For 50th question, which scheme did the government of Karnataka announce to reintroduce for providing quality medical facilities to farmers in its 2022 2023 budget. So they have asked a question from government of Karnataka. Okay, so here option A is correct, that is Yashashwini Yojane. Again, so 51 question is match the following. So in list 1 they have given some revolutions and list 2 respective productions. Okay, for P they have given green revolution. So green revolution P is equal to 3, that is food and grains production. White revolution for Q, it is milk production. So P3Q4, P3Q4, only one option, so option B is correct one. So in this part, that is general awareness and aptitude, we have total 40 questions. So far we have solved 31 questions. The remaining 9 questions we are going to see in quick session. So 52nd question, so you read the concept and here I am going to give the answer, that is A. In the year 2021, the largest share of Indian imports came from which country? Largest imports came to India. So it is option C is correct, from China. It is around 16%. Okay. Next question. Archaeologist who discovered the earliest stone had axe in Karnataka was. So option B is correct, Robert Bruce Pute. Okay, 55th question, you read the concept, examine the following statements. Okay, you read the statement and you will find the all the statements. So out of which, so 55 it is in dilemma, so I am not going to give the answer for it. You just read the concept. Okay. Next question, 56th question, again it is match the following. So in list 1 they have given some kingdoms and respective kings. Okay, who founded the kingdoms? So in P they have given Gangas. So Gangas was P. Gangas was the founder of Gangas was the founder of Gangas was Kangani Verma. So P1 for Kadambas, it is Mayura Verma. So Q3, so P1 Q3, P1 Q3, P1, it is P1 Q3. Option D is correct one. Right. For question number 57, the chronological order in which the Europeans relinquished their authority in India was, means which country came first to India. So according to chronological age, we have to arrange the given countries. So option C is correct one, means initially Portuguese came first, followed by British, French and Dutch. So here it is nearest, but according to chronological order, the Portuguese entered first, followed by British and Dutch and then French. But the option is French and Dutch, so it is nearest answer, that's why option C is correct. For 58th question, Rastguptar was a journal started by Dadabhai Nauroji. Option B is correct. It started in 1854. Question number 59. The state cannot put restriction on the freedom of formation. So freedom of formation of association on grounds of. So which of the following they have asked? So cannot put restrictions. So read the questions twice to understand the question. Cannot put restrictions. So it cannot put restrictions on security of India. So last question from this section, who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Chief Election Commissioner of India was selected by the is selected by the president. Option C is the correct one. So if you find worthy, then like, subscribe and share the video. Thank